So Google just launched a tool called Pomeli, and I know this sounds very cringe for you, but yeah, once you get to know that why Google has named it as Pomeli, we'll get to know. But basically, this tool is gonna be creating a DNA for your business. What does that mean? Is if you are sitting in India and you're watching this, all Indians are super fans of Canva, and all business owners are using Canva in some or other way. So Pomeli is basically giving Canva a super AI possibilities to generate anything and everything, because Pomeli has the feature of where it actually finds your business DNAs and actually designs all the graphics and everything. It follows all the brand guidelines without you actually calling it out, but all you have to do is just put in your URL of your brand, maybe a web page or anything, and it is gonna grab everything, and then using the same brand tonality and information and everything, it will keep on generating the graphics for you. So what is this about? Let's just quickly jump into the demonstration of this. So this is something Pomeli right now in India you won't be able to use it, but yeah, I've already recorded a separate video where I've already given you hacks that how you can actually access the platforms without using any VPNs. For that, you can please find the link to this particular video over here where I've given you hacks that how you can use these kind of platforms, which is right now not available in any part of the globe but only in US. I'm using the same hack which I've given in the video. Once you land onto this, something like this will appear on your dashboard, and this is basically Pomeli. And stick till the end to understand what is the logic of having the name of Pomeli, because I'm gonna unreveal that in next couple of few seconds. But before that, I would like to give you a base: generate business DNA, get campaign ideas, generate creative ideas. So let's go web page, and I'm gonna put my web page URL over here, and you can see enter your website, we'll analyze your business and generate your business DNA. I'll do that. I'll click on continue. So it is gonna be taking, I think it's gonna take 2 or 3 minutes to analyze all the business guidelines. So it not only I analyzes my fonts, my color categories, what kind of images I've been using on my web page. Exactly when it is mentioned, it is when Google is claiming that it's having the business DNA. So it is exactly like that, because I've already given a hands-on experience on this, and it's my second time when I'm doing it for you guys. It's like just a newborn AI, but yeah, Google really doing the show right now, because it's like Canva but with hundreds of LLMs capabilities in one go. Again, it's only and only capable of designing graphics and generate ideas for your business, for your presentations, things like that. So you can see over here, it has grabbed all my images placed in my web page, and it has taken all the guidelines right now. It has taken the color I have used in these web pages, all the things I have in my web page, and it has also grabbed the tagline, which is build and launch your own AI agent in just a few hours. Um, I was just chatting with you guys, and it has grabbed everything in one go. It's gonna generate some ideas for my business, which I can use it further for any of my social media posting, or for promoting any of my particular webinar or workshop, or I can also use it for promoting any of my product or anything. So it's gonna generate few ideas. You can see it is generating idea based on what web page I've given. So stop adapting, start automating, then automate your busiest day, stop losing ground to AI, and then again it has a subheading to it, the fear of being left behind in the AI revolution, the friction of complex coding heavy solutions the AI agent can handle. Like you can see, I haven't done anything, but yeah, it has actually grabbed itself and it has gone a step ahead. So now if I click on this, yeah, so this is where it has generated all the campaigns for me. Stop losing ground to AI. AI is already winning. So it has again used the same images, the same tonality I've been using in my web pages. It has used my image and the layout and everything it has created. So if I scroll down, it has used the testimonial exactly the way I've been using in my web page. If I click on this particular graphic, I can actually do the changes from here. So you can do the changes from here. You can type it yourself as well. And you can also, if you click on this button, like describe what you want the header to say, as well as generate further more ideas for you. The description box, just description box where you can see the build powerful AI agents. So you can change that as well. You have the flexibility to do that as well. So again, the possibilities are endless. And I would say 10 steps ahead than what Canva AI has been doing. Right now, it is free for everyone to use, but it is not available in any other part of the globe apart from US. But yeah, you can use hacks to get the access to this. Right now, it is free tool to use. You can go ahead and test your hands out, and you can keep on adding multiple things. If you are not happy with these things, you can also click on reset business DNA, and it's gonna analyze the web page you provided and come up with more ideas going ahead. And if you want to add more, you can add more business guidelines as well. So this is where we are heading to when we are talking about graphics. So about it. So this particular tool has been a game changer for someone who is into the graphics industry, someone who is running a social media agency, someone who requires graphics every now and then. So what you have to do is just come in and dump your business tools over here, and Pomeli is gonna generate multiple endless ideas for you guys again and again. You can change the text and everything. You can do the tweaks as per your requirements and needs, and Pomeli is gonna do the things for you. All you have to do is just do the prompting, and I don't think anybody on this earth is now unaware that what prompting is about when it comes to interacting with LLMs. So that's what Google has brought us now. Google has not released any updates regarding its payment plans or anything right now. As of now, when I'm recording the video, it might be paid by the time you watch the video, or maybe in couple of months or something. It is free right now, so go ahead and make the most use out of it, and comment your best graphics in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.